Alright, so I'm unboxing Monsta X's We Are Here versions 3 and 4 in this video. I know that it might be a little annoying that I'm splitting up the versions into 2 videos, but I don't want the videos to get too long just because it does get a little boring if it's too long. So that's my reasoning why. And plus, it does make it a little easier to edit if they are a little shorter because I stutter a lot. So this one's version 3. I typically like looking at the photo cards last and looking at the photos first. So this is the little pull-out fold thingy. Does anyone have a recommendation of which B-side song I should listen to in this album? I've been a little preoccupied with school, so I haven't taken the chance to listen to the B-sides. So if anyone has a recommendation for me to check out, please let me know. As much as I like how often their comebacks are, I also think that they should get some rest. They've definitely worked really hard to prepare for each comeback, and I just think that they should be given some time to rest in between. Then this is the track list, and the CD plate's the same. So photo cards, I got the same Polaroid as before. I got another Juhan. I think I pulled this for one of the other versions, but I'm not sure. I have a Kihyun, a transparent card. I have a Minhyuk photo card and Juhan and Kihyun together. Correction, I actually got a different Juhan photo card in, I think, version 2. Alright, so this is version 4. Here's the pull-out thingy for this version. What do you guys think of Shootout? I like the dance, but I do wish that Minhyuk and Hyungwon had more lines. I kind of wish there were more photos that were included in this photo book. I feel like there were less photos. I know I go through the pictures really quickly, but I don't want to be here for like a bajillion years. And then the CD plays the same. So photo cards, I got the same Polaroid as a different version. I have a Hyun 1 transparent card. I think I drew this for version 1, but that's okay. I have a Shonu photo card and Juhan Hyun 1.